So hi guys, welcome to my channel Pixels and Pistons. So today I'm going to office in my old bike, which is KTM RC 200. It has been more than 10 years since I bought this bike. Okay, let's get started. Let's get going. So it is Tuesday today. It's going to be a lot of traffic, and I have installed an external mic in my action camera. Let's see how it performs today. Hope let's expect some less traffic today, but no. So as I was telling, like I got this bike in 2016 and it is going to be 10 years now in March. uh, Bought it during my birthday, so it has been fantastic 10 years with this bike. I never faced any issue with this. So I'll tell you a story of to tell you why I got this bike. So I was in my college days and I was always a fan of bikes. So I think it was around 2015 when I passed out, and I always had a plan of buying something after I pass out. So I think in 2015 or 2016, suddenly I saw this bike. It was very catchy, looked very futuristic, I would say. Still, the design is pretty good. It doesn't look like 10 years old bike. So I joined my first company as soon as I got the salary, and after a few months of joining, I paid the booking amount. So I think I used friend's credit card because it was the initial days and I didn't have that much money. So I still remember each and everything. And so in March 8, exactly on my birthday, but you kind of get nervous during your first or during the starting days of motovlogging, because you think that what other people going to think. Look at the hump. Stupid traffic again. So whenever you ride on weekdays, you never get the option to pull your throttle. It's always that bumper to bumper traffic. So frustrating, seriously. This is going to eat a lot of time. Try to be a sensible rider while riding, and I think I already have enough experience, more than 11 years riding in Bangalore, so I know where to pull my throttle and where not. Uh, Today the traffic looks a bit less compared to last week, but this is what Bangalore is known for, right? Having horrendous traffic. I'll not bore you guys. So, what are the benefits of a BS3 model? If I specifically talk about the KTM RC 200, so there are many like BS4, BS6. The benefit is like BS3 model has like kind of raw power. It pulls pretty quick, but this bike doesn't have ABS. Doesn't come with ABS, and you cannot ride it for long. So you cannot use it for long rides because seating posture is very aggressive, and it's really going to hurt your hands because all the weight goes on the handlebar. The only issues I faced with this bike was with battery. So I recently changed the battery. So that is the only issue. Other than that, nothing. I think this bike I say 390. So I had like three options at that time. RC 200, RC 390, and R3. R3 was pretty expensive. Couldn't go for that. Then yeah, RC 390 was pretty good. Raw power. Is it especially the PS3 model? But I didn't like the color. I prefer black and white, not all white. Hmm. I have to start filtering. I have to start filtering. Hope it is able to capture the bike sound as well. I'll show you where I got my bike from. Here we have the KTM showroom. On my left, yeah, this is where I got my this bike. And I didn't know how to ride at that time, so I asked one of my friends to come and take this bike to the PG because we used to stay in PG at that time. Maybe at least this will not be boring. I also need some content for my video. How else am I going to gain the subscribers? It's very hard to create content, man. Automotive vlogs. हाँ जा रहा है गणेश. The dust. Nice. Oh, hip hopper. Go. Wheelie. Finally, after 40 minutes, I have reached the office. I don't know, nobody. Okay, let me park there. Finally. Need to wash my bike. So see you guys in my next moto vlog. Bye. Do like, do share, be happy.